Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to cook the fried fish with the chili fish sauce. This is very famous in street food of Thailand now. It's very easy recipe and it's also very delicious. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. So we start with the fish. You can use fish whatever you like and then clean it well and remove the fish scale out and also make the cut at the fish. This one will make all is more crispy and then absorb the moisture or water, remove it out when you deep fry or put in the air fryer, and then we'll make the fish is more crispy, and then add a bit of the salt for make the good taste. For today I will use air fryer and then we need to cover with the vegetable oil. This one will make the moisture with the fried fish. But if you want to deep fry with the vegetable oil, you can do it. Press both sides of the fish with the vegetable oil, and this will make for the crispy fish. Then press on the air fryer and we're gonna use temperature 200 Celsius at the 15 minutes first. After 15 minutes, we remove it and flip the fish to other side and then continue after 15 minutes. And now it's ready for our fried fish. It's so crispy if you can hear the. The next step, let's make the sauce. This sauce is quite like a seafood sauce, but we gonna slice the garlic and onion and also the chili. And then we're gonna use the lemon juice for 5 tablespoons and fish sauce for 4 tablespoons and half tablespoon of the palm sugar, and then mix it well. And after that, put everything together, and that's it. In Thailand, if you're in the street food, you can see the fish is on the rice. So we're gonna remove all fish bone and use just only the fish and press on top of the steamed rice. And when you will eat, just put our sauce on top of the fish and then eat together with the steamed rice. It's so delicious, and then I think you will do it for second times. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.